In this video, I'll show you how to deploy a website on Netlify. First, go to netlify.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Add New Project. Then click on Deploy Manually. This will give you a drag and drop area where you can upload your website files. Now, before you drag anything in, your files need to be in a zip file. If your files are not zipped yet, just select all your website files, right-click, and choose Compress to Zip File. Name it whatever you want, and make sure it saves as a zip file. Once your zip file is ready, go back to Netlify and drag it onto the center of the circle on the screen. Netlify will start uploading your files straight away. Just give it a few seconds to finish. Once the upload is done, Netlify will take you into your project. You will also see it listed under Projects on your homepage, so you can always come back to it later. Now, look for the subdomain that Netlify has automatically assigned to your project. Click on it, and your website will open up live in the browser.